What is up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of this little herping endeavor. If you missed part 1, go back and watch that because you're gonna see me walk all the way through all this stuff and do a bunch of live, like on camera flipping for salamanders. Found some really cool stuff. Anyway, we are over here on the trail now, walking back down to the road. I'll walk the road further on down that way because what time is it? It's only 4:30. I gotta see what time this rain's kicking in, but hopefully we're gonna find some stuff to flip on the road. Maybe we'll find another stream. I don't know. Man, I bet you after a good rain, right up in there, those cave salamanders come out like crazy. And I want to throw y'all a little tip here too, is that if you guys are ever around bluffs that are like this, good way to spot and tell. That was fun. If it's a den site, is if you see holes like this at the base or around the edges, it's a good indicator it's a den site. So there's definitely a den site that leads over to a food source. So I'm shocked I haven't seen any DORs. For those of you who don't know what DOR means, it means dead on road. Like snakes have been hitting the road or they're just dead on the road. So I'm really shocked I haven't seen any of those, but you know, day's not over yet. Looks like we doubled up. Yep, got a couple salamanders here. Look like they're the... Alright, buddy, I'll let you go. What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? You burrowing? Come here. Your tail is jacked up. Wow, look at him. Look at him. No, 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 no. Guess I'm gonna focus up. Okay. I'll just let you go, dude. I'll let you burrow back down. Too cool. See? You never know what you're gonna find on the side of this road. That's awesome. Well, Rob, I found a cruising road. There's just no spots to pull off. Not seeing nothing yet. But I wasn't even really planning on going to this area. It just kind of... I looked over to my right and I saw it and I just slammed on the brakes and knew I had to at least run down it once. So this is looking nice though. There's a little pull-off spot. Oh my gosh, that'd be great for some fishing. Holy crap. I didn't see this coming. I know it's just driving through a creek, but still, it's so cool. And now the creek's on the other side. Oh my gosh, you know there's gotta be stuff down there. I really need a pull-off spot. I really need a pull-off spot. All right, well, I found a place to park. And man, I bet you could spotlight some good old frogs right there. Walk this trail, we'll go down this way, and then we'll see what we can find. But with this stream being this clear, I mean, you know there's gotta be some stuff. And it's looking like, oh, there's a rock I want to flip right now. Holy piss. I didn't even see these here when I drove by. You know in the summertime there's gonna be some snakes chilling in whatever the heck that is. Holy crap. Yeah. Not a great spot. Oh my goodness. Where to start? Nice, got a little green frog. NC2. Just flipped him. This log here. He's just chilling. Alright, I'm gonna let you go back to doing your thing, dude. Alright, there's a bunch of little rocks here. I'm gonna flip them. You guys let me know what you see in the comments. Yep. Crawdad. Cool. Nothing. Come on, Sally. I know you're here. Where you at, Sally? Nothing. Alright, these gotta produce something. Nope. Nope. Oh. Nope. Nope. And nope. Wow. Really? Oh. There's something to the yep. I don't know what it is though. That would be southern two-lined, it looks like. Scurried away. He was pretty for a southern. Wow. I just have to flip over there. I need to get to that other flipping spot though. Oh, this place is too good. But I marked up my GPS, so I'll definitely be coming back out here to this spot for sure sometime, hopefully very soon. Alright, so it turns out that spot that I found that looks really good for flipping on my satellite is for authorized personnel only. And then I was trying to figure out a new spot, and where I'm so far out in the woods, and my GPS stopped working. So it just got interesting, that's for sure. But while I'm here, I might as well see if I can flip some stuff. So if you guys are ever like in a national park or anything where they have like little rest areas like this, go, oh my goodness, there's a trail. Lucked out. Always a great spot if you can find logs or anything else like that to flip, because people come here to eat and they leave their breadcrumbs. What the birds don't get, the mice come and get, and the snakes eat the mice. So simple food chain logic right there. Nature is a joker. I heard this. Hear that little rattling sound? Yeah. Heard that. About crap my pants because I thought there was a timber nearby. Yeah. Haha, very funny, nature. You're a dick. I keep walking along the trail and they have these big sinkholes. There's one right here, there's one over there. Oh, a couple more. I passed at least one other one. Good Lord. I don't know what they're from, but they gotta be ideal for snakes to go into at some point in time during the year, you think. I would just love to see a timber curled up. I would have no idea how to get them. But still, it'd be really cool. But I mean, look, there's a root of the tree. It's just straight up. Holy crap. Alright guys, you know what to do. Pause the video, spot the herp, name it in the comments, and I will pin your comment if you get it right and you're the first one to do so successfully. This one's a tough one. And back to the car, because I figured my GPS is out. So I'm going to get in the car and drive until it starts working, or I find a new spot to herp. Yeah, either way, I'm like not that far from my house, so not like I'm in danger of being lost, but knowing me, that's a stick. Oh, and by the way, that last clip before last, where I said spot the herp, be prepared to hate me, because there was no herp in that video. Gotcha! Alright, so I just found this nifty Salamanders Tennessee thing, and it's looking like what I thought I was finding. Northern Slimies actually is a Cumberland Plateau salamander. Not a slimy at all. There's also a Teleco, which looks kind of similar. I guess those slimies just have more of that white right there, because those are the guys that I was finding that were huge, the Plateau salamander. Those were lifers, I didn't even know it. And then when I was over there, the one I wanted you guys to comment below and, you know, let me know what it was that looked just like this guy. Southern redback salamander, lead morph. Huh. Wow. We found a spotted. Or it could have been a zigzag salamander, which that's the zigzag right there. And then I think they were Blue Ridge dusky salamanders that I was finding today. There's your northern dusky. I mean, good Lord. Or it was a pygmy. I think it was actually a pygmy salamander, because that looks a lot like what I'd found before. Huh. Yeah, I need one of these for the house. Wow. I had so many lifers, I didn't even know it. Good job, Jordan. Yep, still no service. I got about an hour and a half, 2 hours of daylight left, maybe. Yep. Let's just get to driving. Alright guys, well, if I cruise anything on this road, I will let you know, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it because I am starving. So hungry, it's ridiculous. So I'm gonna get me some food, get home, edit all this stuff together. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe.
Turn left onto Village Green Drive.
It's rude. Don't forget to hit that, or subscribe and hit that thing in the middle. You messed me up, GPS, you really did. So, yeah. Anyway. I will see you guys tomorrow. Probably do some herping then. It's supposed to rain my tomorrow, but you guys are watching the video, so the next tomorrow we should be alright. So, see ya.